Just our batting, we sort of struggled to get, it was too paced and we struggled to get partnerships going. But we got some starts and then it was a top class finish there. 71 off 38 got us to a par score about. And that was an awesome partnership. So it shows what we can do, even when maybe it's not our day. With the bats, someone can come in and play an awesome innings. With a ball, and we got under pressure, 71 after 6. And we didn't deserve to be in the game, really. From then on, it could be a canter. They're probably thinking bonus point win. And we took it all the way to the last over, and they sort of stumbled over the line. We showed a hell of a lot of character. They needed 90 or 14, and they only got there in the last over. So they could have got a bonus point. We've had 3 bonus points, but we only just lost. The other game we played in that we lost, it was only just. And we weren't at our best today, and yet we lost to a flippin' formidable team on paper by the smallest of margins.